which has a deeper and deeper or deepest impression in your mind, now mind is not so pure to remove it. So mind is very weak, your ideal is weak, thought is weak, so it will continue. Normal life means you become weak. Thought, weak ideal, and not weak, strong enough to remove this.
Voice is breaking, Swamiji. Voice is breaking.
Why? See, that is, you have to be pure and mind, thought should be strong. Otherwise, you should not eliminate it. You have to eliminate it. For elimination, you need strong mind, strong thoughts, and strong means pure thoughts. Then it is possible to eliminate bad tendencies, bad thoughts, long back, which is done. Most of the people, they complain these things again and again. Swamiji, how can I get rid of the past thoughts which is haunting me? But it is created by you. You have to remove it by strengthening your mind or thoughts. No other way. The people are success when they become pure and little bit religious. Practice. Practice means one thing I am telling clear. Reading books, you cannot be a cook. Reading books, you cannot become a swimmer or cyclist. That means you have to do practice it, then you become cook or you become cyclist. You can drive the cycle. Similarly, in our philosophy, in our day-to-day life, so many philosophical discussions, methods we heard, and it is left in the book. So nothing will happen to us. So you have to, just to become a cook, you have to go to the kitchen, you have to take the pan or the water in your hand. Same way, you have to practice little bit of discipline, not hearing. And most of the people are not, what is it called? They are not ready. Actually, they are not ready to become a cook. Just to hear the philosophical discussion, hear and forget. So never become a cook unless you go to the kitchen. Similarly, unless you do practice a little bit in a routine manner, disciplined manner, you cannot become a good cook and you cannot strengthen your mind. And people, most of the people are weak, even though they know so many things, they know the Gita, Upanishad, so many discussion they are hearing. But thought and ideal, they are weak because it is not strong enough, not they are practicing just to become a cook. Deficiency is here. Practice in a disciplined manner. Power will come and pure mind will come. Then thought will be strong. Then immediately they can nullify it, cancel the bad thoughts. But that strong enough pure thoughts we are not able to generate it due to lack of practice, not hearing, not knowing. Practice. That is why most of the people are suffering like you. I think it is clear now. Point is here.
Swamiji, one question I have.
Yes.
Yeah, so you higher ideas. So, for example, if we are working in office, then what kind of ideas can be of higher quality? So, because it's a business oriented.
You are when you are working in the office, whatever work you are doing, you think in the mind, this work I am doing not for this, I am doing for country. That is a simple thing, changing the thoughts, not for the, generally you are thinking the level that this is the boss work, this is the company work, this is this work. But you think, I am working this thing for the good of the country, but good of the people. Whatever work you think good of the people, that become a higher thoughts. And power will come within from this kind of higher thoughts. Unselfishness. That means nobody knows. Only your thinking thought level, I am doing this work for the good of the people, my good of the society, good of the society. Society is ours. We are our society. If you think do good, that you do the work, the good of the family. In the house, whatever you work, do what you think, it is my family, this is the good of the family, good of the family, good of the family. That is the attitude. But in the office, good of the society, not family. Good of the society, good of the society. How much energy and no tiredness when you are working in the house, because this is good of my house. Similarly, if you think it's the good of the society in the office and other places, same energy will get it. Along with that, will get the satisfaction, joy of the mind. Difference in thinking. Ideal, higher thoughts, earlier lower thoughts. Now clarity.
Yes, Swamiji. So for office, then we can say good of the society, good of the country. But at home, when you are cleaning your house, when you are cooking every day, how can you? What should you tell yourself that why it is for the higher purpose?
For higher purpose, you will tell this family is not yours. It is God's, given by the God. Before marriage, you don't know, and who will be your son and daughter, you don't know. Where you will be put, you will not know. If you see, if you think this way, that is God do it. God has kept you here. God has given your husband. God has given the son. So if you think it is God's family, just imagine when you grown up, college life, you do not know where you will be put after marriage, what will be the condition of your family, husband's house, and who will be your daughter or son? Nothing. It is given by the God. If you think this way, relate this way, and think yourself that this family is God's family, so I am doing the God's family, whatever work I am doing, God has given the responsibility, I am discharging the duty. God's work I am doing, discharging the duty of the husband, wife, and whoever they are relatives in the house. This is the way of thinking. First, you convince your mind by thinking it is God's, because where you are put, you do not know, your parents do not know. God has put you there. God has given you son. God has given your father-in-law, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, whoever they are. Now it is clear.
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay, Amit.
Yes,
So you should close it here.
yes.
Swamiji, can I ask one question, please?
Yes.
I want to ask you is that during this pandemic, to get up in the morning and to just motivate yourself to get through the day, is also becoming difficult. You like your mind has just nothing to hold on to. It is so scattered that you don't know how to get through the day. So like what input should we give our mind so that it stays on track?
See, when mind is set, it is not the factor pandemic or anything else. You'll get up morning, those who have a habit. It isn't a question of pandemic, it is a question of sleep and body. I have taken this 6 hours, that is my, those who have a long practice. They will get up. Pandemic, that is the outside. What about you and in the mind? If you said that I have to discipline like way that I have to get up. If you go on, get up in the 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. That is not pandemic or outside circumstances should not be the hindrance to get up. It is related to the physical rest. And no outside influence like have a pandemic and others, it will not interfere your inner system, because it's a morning you get up and have a Japan meditation. After that, you start working. So these are all you have entered your mind unnecessarily. Pandemic. It will come and take away. What you will do it? This virus. It entered you and take you. What you will do it? Only precaution I have to take. Leave it for the mind. If God wants to kill you, can you save it? Give this kind of feeding and remove the fear. But as the medical field, if you take the precautions, take the medicine, similar way, you have to take the precaution, remove it and leave it to the God. If come to me, and that is my destiny, that it will come and take me out, take me from here. Nobody can stop. Only thing, we also do not know what is our future, what is your death. Everybody's death is already, return ticket is already booked. When you are born, your return ticket is already with you. Return ticket means you have to go away from the world, that is called return ticket. Beautifully, that the moment you born, in another pocket, you have the return ticket for the world. So anyhow, so it is a question of mental setup. What fear is there? Fear is there means I am taking the protection. Whenever I go out, fear should be there. I should not touch this one. I should not touch this one. That's all. But you do not know how this coronavirus enter on you. Taking all these methods, defense, still coronavirus enter. So remove this fear. Take the protection, whatever necessary, and remove this fear. And simple logic, if God kill me, who will conceal? Finish. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. My